Not doing user research leads to bad products, wasted resources, and really crappy experiences for your users. Anyone who cares about delivering good, delightful, useful experiences that solve real problems needs to engage with their users. Even worse, sometimes people are thinking they do user research by having conversations, but all they're doing is verifying their own beliefs and assumptions. This is even worse because it means they think they're doing the right thing, but they're not. My course gives you a beginning to end understanding of how to develop research questions, execute them, and make sure they actually shift your business objectives. You can measure the differences that user research will make in your organization. I give you a framework for how to do this, for how to come up with very specific research questions, and I give you the tools to do almost any variety of research and answer almost any question out there. Hi, I'm Megan Kierstead, and I'm a researcher. I care about building great experiences for people, and I do research that really focuses on maximizing that. I have worked with huge organizations, to startups, to people who sell to businesses, to people who sell to consumers, and pretty much everything in between. I have had experiences in healthcare, financial services, and really across the gamut of industries. I've been doing this essentially since I got out of college. I've really dived in and become an expert in methodology. I love teaching people how to do user research because it is my fundamental belief that user research can change the structure of an entire business and make the best products on the planet. If you're not doing user research, you are failing your users. In this course, you will learn what user research is and how it's different from other methods and approaches, and why you really should be tying it to your business outcomes. You'll also learn how to actually develop research questions that are tied to these business outcomes so that you can make sure your research is actionable and useful to everyone in your organization. Then we'll go into some specific approaches for answering different types of questions. Some are about understanding what people say, and you use things like interviews and surveys. Others are about watching what people do. This is things like ethnography and analytics and usability testing. I'll teach you how to do all of those and give you some frameworks on how to actually analyze this data, because if you're doing user research, you're going to have a lot of different data. It is really hard to do, and I give you some very straightforward, very easy ways to get to the insights that will actually shift those business objectives that you set earlier in the course. Finally, I'll also talk about some of the ways that you can create amazing deliverables to proselytize research and give empathy for your users across your entire organization. If you're passionate about creating great experiences for users, user research is fundamental and entirely necessary. If you aren't doing user research, you absolutely need to start. I'll give you all the tools to do it.